It's Friday, May 20th, and you're watching today's Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyetian. I'm Christina Marujos, and thank you for joining us at XM.com. Markets were a lot calmer on Friday after a bumpy week that put the U.S. dollar on the back foot and Wall Street's rebound faltered. Big earnings misses from U.S. retail giants sparked concern that the American economy may not be so immune to inflation's undesirable effects after all, heightening fears of stagflation. But the supply-related woes are now starting to impact the tech sector too. The S&P 500 was flirting with bear market territory again after losing another 0.6%, but the Nasdaq Composite fell by a more modest 0.3%. U.S. stock futures, though, have bounced higher today as sentiment improved after China's central bank cut its key lending rate, used for setting mortgage rates, as policymakers attempt to inject some life into its troubled property sector. China's CSI 300 index rallied by almost 2%, and European stocks opened with solid gains. But doubts about the growth outlook haven't completely faded as initial jobless claims in the United States rose last week for the third straight week, suggesting that hiring could be slowing. The big questions facing investors now are, will the Fed be able to achieve a soft landing? And even if a major downturn can be averted, is an earnings recession inevitable? Until there is more clarity, markets remain susceptible to more bouts of volatility, especially as there are large option expiries today that could trigger some major moves on Wall Street at the close of the week's trading. In the meantime, however, the U.S. dollar was in a chirpier mood today, pairing some of this week's bruising losses. The yen was broadly weaker amid the brighter risk tone. UK retail sales beat the forecasts in April, and even though consumer confidence is falling, the pound is marginally higher today against the greenback and is set to end the week with decent gains. The Swiss franc was mixed on Friday but is holding on to its impressive weekly gains. Having weakened to parity just over a week ago with the dollar, the franc got a major boost on Wednesday after SNB Chairman Thomas Jordan said policymakers will act if inflation accelerates, hinting that the SNB could follow the ECB in raising rates in the summer. This was today's Daily Market Comment at XM.com. Have a great weekend.